on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Alyssa Morrison, or the Alyssa Morrison if you are new here, and today I'm sharing with you a unboxing, product review, and first impressions, I guess, all in one, of the Patrick Ta Major Headlines Double Take Cream and Powder Blush. Before we jump into today's video, make sure that you are subscribed down below. Give this video a big thumbs up if you want to see more from me. And without further ado, let's just jump right in. Today I am sharing with you guys my first impressions of the Patrick Ta Major Headlines Double Take Cream and Powder Blush in the shade She's So LA. I watched Whitney Simmons do a makeup tutorial a couple weeks ago and she used this. So I ordered it from Sephora and let's just give it a shot. The packaging, first of all, is gorgeous. I haven't swatched this or anything, but something that I did see on her video, there is this like little cover for the cream portion, which I really love. And it's this very like, I would say like bronzy, very deep blush. So I don't know how this will look on my very pale skin, but I'm super down to give it a try. Also, my battery light is blinking, so this is gonna be a real quick video. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and apply it. I'm actually going to be applying the powder first and then the cream. This is how Whitney did it. So basically anything she tells me to do, I will do. If she's jumping off a cliff, let's hope there's a lake at the bottom of the cliff. Okay, so I'm just going to tap my little brush in there and just apply it to like the apples of my cheeks. I'm not wearing any blush right now. Oh, that is beautiful. Wow, it's definitely picking up on camera. I feel like it's not that drastic in real life, but it's very beautiful. I feel like it's just like a natural flush. I feel like this color could be very versatile on a lot of different skin tones and look really natural. I'm also going to be taking it across the nose and like basically all the way across the face. I really love this. I feel like it gives such a natural bronzy sort of look, but it also adds like a little bit of oomph to the skin, if you know what I'm saying. I'm going to go in with the cream blush. This is just so creamy and beautiful. Wow, I am loving this color. I wouldn't say that there's any shimmer to this shade, but it definitely has this like healthy glow to it. I feel like this is just the most natural, like your skin but better, almost like you spent a little time in the sun. Like I am absolutely obsessed with how this is turning out right now. It blends so effortlessly. I feel like it's not crazy pigmented, but I feel like it's enough to the point where like my face already looks totally different than when I started. For as pale as my skin is right now, I don't have any like self tanner on my face or anything. I feel like this gives me such a bronzy, glowy look, especially when you bring it kind of across the nose where the sun would naturally hit your skin. I could even like blend it into the forehead. It looks so natural and so beautiful.